Very nice.
That was a good hit, though. Good job. I like your work. Sarah, nice to meet you.
Ryan.
Good hit.
Hi Ryan, how are you?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
I'm doing good. Butler, are you up to bat?
Yeah.
I'm recording you.
Too hard, too. Coach.
Yeah, you suck, Butler. Dawson, stop creeping like you're gonna come sneak out.
He wants
I know, look at him. He's just like
plotting.
waiting for you to open that. Go, Butler. Woo! Yeah, because you suck.
That's okay.
Hey, smile for the camera.
No,
That's me.
Throw the ball where? You're
Where's that one black guy go?
To first.
I'll hit.
Who's supposed to hit?
Me.